This is the Microsoft Power Platform. It's a low-code platform that spans all the way across Microsoft Dynamics 365, Microsoft 365, Azure, and many different applications. The Power Platform was recently introduced by Microsoft back in 2018, and then with that, over the last 3 years, Microsoft has been so innovative that we've been able to bring IT resources to everyone. Within Microsoft Power Platform, you have things like Power BI, which offers visual and business analytics to your databases. You have web app development like Power Apps. You can build some really nice, extraordinary apps for your smartphones, your tablets, and your business. Automation tools like Power Automate. Power Automate embraces and empowers your employees to build workflow solutions that doesn't require manual input. Virtual agents can do things like chat. They can actually execute tasks. They can set off workflows. And Power Pages, which is the most recent addition to the Power Platform, brings your database to the masses. Imagine vendors and customers being able to interact with your data without having to have an expensive portal or a portal that doesn't work for your business. Build everything around your company's data. Scale, grow your business with the Power Platform. You can do things like data connectors. You can connect to over 800 different connectors within Power Automate in the Dataverse. You can build artificial intelligence products using AI Builder. And best of all, the core of the Microsoft Power Platform is the Dataverse. This is where all your data is stored. This is where it's managed. There's no need to have a server room with a $10,000 server and a cool climate. Now you can take your business anywhere on 6 different continents in the world using the Microsoft Power Platform and the Microsoft Dataverse. Contact Clever Partners. We know exactly how to work with your data. Give us a call. We'll show you how it works, and let's get started.